Bring that around, you can see my face. So I'll take off this, and then once I've got that off, I will show you what I mean as far as the bushes being a bit knackered. So yeah, give me a minute and I'll be back with you in a minute. Will I be back with you in a minute? Probably not. It's probably going to be a lot longer than a minute, going on how big and heavy everything is. Why am I so dark? There we go. Dashing. Anyway, I shall do that and then we'll show you what I mean. Got the wheel off, got the split pin out. As you can see, all these bushes from the UK, just with the heat of Africa, just turned to shmush. So I'm going to clean all this off and then get the new bushes in here, and I'll show you what I've done when I've got it on. As you can see, the new bush will slot in there. I need to just put this up and then push that in, and then the other bush will go on the end, and then the washer and a new split pin. So yeah, I'll get that sorted, and then this side will be done, and then I will show you what it looks like. Current update on the situation: we've had to get creative on squeezing the bush in here. Now, I'm sure there's a tool for this. We don't have to use the water pump pliers with a strap and a thing to squeak the bush in here, but it's getting closer to being able to get the old split pin through. But wowza, man, this is not a 5-minute job, and I'm currently using a second water pump pliers to ease this in. So yeah, I'm sure there's something that I don't know here, but if you guys have any input on how to do this, I'd be happy to hear it, because I got to do the other side still. So yeah, just let me know. Okay, welcome to the continued mission of the bush. Yeah, still haven't got this thing to clamp in. Hello doggo. Hello doggo. So I'm gonna try some other things and we'll see how we get on, but hopefully today I can get this thing in here, because yesterday we spent quite a few hours and didn't really have much joy. So yeah, we'll give it a go, and then I will update you. This is where we are so far. I'm sure there must be an easier way of doing this. I'm sure everyone in the comments will tell me how, but what I've done is I've tapered the split pin, because what's happening is when it's going through, it's getting to a point and then it's stopping out. So I'm hoping with this taper, which you can't really see, maybe like that, when it gets to the point where it starts hitting the washer, it will just curve. So let's see if that works. Right, literally like first go, tapered end of the split pin, Bob's your uncle, straight in the hole. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. Would have saved me like hours of painful toiling. But yeah, there you go. Poly bushes into 101. I guess it's a steering damper or front axle damper or torsion bar of sorts. Taper your split pin, and it'll just get in the hole. Now to do the other side, which is just going to be as much of a joy, but at least we know now. So yeah, happy day. So much drama, I got it all back together, so now have an idea on how to do the other side. So I'm sure you don't want to see the whole process again, so do what you did on this side and repeat it on the other side. Hope that helps.